Starting the Gnome Rotary engine of the Avro 504K involves a manual and mechanical process. First, the operator spins the propeller by hand, drawing fuel and air into the cylinders and initiating the ignition sequence. As a rotary engine, the Gnome's entire cylinder assembly rotates around a fixed crankshaft, with the pistons moving in and out as the engine spins. Once fuel enters the cylinders, it is compressed and ignited by spark plugs, generating combustion and continuous rotation. This spinning action not only powers the engine, but also provides cooling. The combustion cycle concludes with the expulsion of spent gases through the exhaust. The distinct roar and spinning mass of the engine mark the successful startup of this early aviation power plant.
Badger.
The T53 is a turboshaft engine developed by Lycoming, widely recognized for its use in military helicopters such as the UH-1 Huey. First introduced in the late 1950s, the T53 features a single-spool design with a 5-stage axial and 1-stage centrifugal compressor. It is equipped with a 2-stage gas generator turbine and a 2-stage power turbine, enabling it to deliver reliable power in demanding conditions. The engine produces up to 1,800 shaft horsepower in early variants, while later versions such as the T53 L703 reach over 2,000 shp. Known for its compact design and excellent power-to-weight ratio, the T53 remains a dependable choice for rotary wing aircraft. The startup sequence showcases the powerful ignition of the turbine, smooth acceleration, and the distinctive high-pitched whine of the jet engine, a testament to its enduring performance and engineering. The T53 continues to serve in both military and civilian applications today. You probably already know, the Lycoming R680 is a 9-cylinder, air-cooled radial engine that marked Lycoming's entry into the world of aircraft propulsion. Developed in the late 1920s and certified on February 4, 1930, under approved Type Certificate number 42, the R680 quickly became a significant power plant for numerous training and light military aircraft in the United States. This engine was produced in two major series, the E and B variants. Although structurally and mechanically very similar, one of the most notable versions was the R680B4E. It was designed specifically for training aircraft and included a front-mounted exhaust collector ring, allowing the engine to be operated without the usual cylinder air bubbles. This feature simplified engine cooling and maintenance in training applications, making it especially popular with aircraft such as the Stearman PT-13 and other biplane trainers of the pre-World War II era. The R680 is appreciated for its compact design, mechanical reliability, and distinctive radial engine sound with deep, pulsating roar that enthusiasts still admire today. Its characteristic exhaust note, as highlighted in the video, "Love the Scream," showcases the raw and powerful presence these early radial engines brought to aviation. As the first aircraft engine produced by Lycoming, the R680 laid the foundation for the company's future successes. It remains an iconic example of American radial engine design from the golden age of aviation, and is still revered by vintage aircraft restorers and historians alike. Did you know that the RollsRoyce Griffin is a 37-liter, liquid-cooled, 60 degrees V12 aircraft engine developed in Britain by Rolls-Royce? Initially designed in 1938 to complete air arms and later adapted for the Supermarine Spitfire, the Griffin offered more power at low altitudes compared to the earlier Merlin engines. It first ran in 1939 and went into production in the early 1940s. The Griffin featured key innovations like integrated front-end accessory drives and improved lubrication. Production ceased in 1955, marking it as the last V12 aero engine by Rolls-Royce. Some Griffins remain in use as heritage aircraft. Pratt & Whitney R985 Wasp Jr. is a 9-cylinder, air-cooled radial engine produced from the 1930s to 1950s. Delivering up to 450 horsepower, it powered various civil and military aircraft. Over 39,000 units were built, and many are still in use today due to their reliability and performance. Designed specifically for armored vehicles, it powered iconic World War II and post-war tanks, such as the Cromwell, Comet, and Centurion. The 27-liter V12 engine featured in the video is the Rolls-Royce Meteor, a powerful British tank engine derived from the legendary Merlin aircraft engine. The Meteor retained the Merlin's V12 liquid-cooled layout, but was adapted for durability and torque rather than altitude performance. Known for its massive displacement and high power output, the Meteor played a crucial role in British armored mobility. Its robust engineering and historical importance make it a standout in tank propulsion history. The 1929 Sulfur engine is an 8-cylinder, 232-liter diesel powerhouse producing 540 HP. It operated from 1929 to 1989 in WWII, helping overcome power shortages. Weighing over 21 tons with its frame, it is now proudly owned by Eric Zender Benai. The Detroit Diesel 12 V149 is a powerful 2-stroke V12 diesel engine from the 149 series, introduced in 1966. Originally naturally aspirated and rated around 600 horsepower, later versions featured turbocharging, intercooling, and advanced electronic controls. With a unique square bore design, this engine delivers exceptional power-to-weight performance. Each of its 12 cylinders produces up to 137.5 horsepower, totaling over 1,600 horsepower. Widely used in marine, industrial, and military applications, the 12 V149 showcases Detroit Diesel's robust engineering and adaptability across demanding environments. piston aero engine developed in 1933. Originally named TV-12, it powered iconic World War II aircraft like the Spitfire, Hurricane, and Lancaster. Continuously improved, the Merlin eventually produced over 2,000 horsepower, nearly 150,000 units, including U.S.-built Packard versions. It remains active in vintage aircraft today. The Panzer 512 engine is a powerful V12 configuration widely used in World War II tanks. Known for its smooth operation and reliability, it delivered strong performance on the battlefield. Notable examples include Germany's Maybach HL series and America's Continental AV1790 engine. The Kempton Steam Museum in southwest London houses the remarkable Kempton Park steam engines, two of the largest triple-expansion steam engines ever built in the UK. Constructed between 1926 and 1929 by Worthington Simpson for the Metropolitan Water Plant, these engines once pumped up to 19 million imperial gallons of water daily to supply drinking water across North, East, and West London. Engine number 6, named the Sir William Prescott, is fully restored and is the world's largest operational triple-expansion steam engine. Standing 62 feet tall and weighing over 800 tons, it operates during special museum events. Its sister engine, number 7, known as Bessie, remains on static display. The engines drew raw water from the Thames via the Staines and Queen Mary reservoirs, playing a crucial role in London's water infrastructure until their retirement in 1980. Today, the site also features a 2-foot gauge steam railway and is managed by the Kempton Great Engines Trust, a registered charity that preserves this unique piece of industrial heritage. The 1913 Fairbanks Morse 25 HP tractor is a rare and historically significant piece of early American agricultural machinery. Built by Fairbanks Morse, a company renowned for its engines and industrial equipment, this tractor was rated at 15 horsepower at the drawbar and 25 horsepower on the belt. It features a single-cylinder gas engine and is instantly recognizable by its distinctive Fairbanks green paint. Only about 25 examples of this model are known to exist today, and many have undergone complete frame-up restorations, returning them to their original working condition. One notable example, owned by the Buse family in Waco, Texas, was fully restored by Wendell Kelch of Kelch Restoration in Ohio, and later displayed as the centerpiece of the 42nd Texas Early Day Tractor and Engine Association State Show. The tractor's historical value and craftsmanship have made it highly collectible, with one restored unit fetching $189,000 at an Auman Vintage Power Auction.